What I've got here is sleep routine hygiene. So getting into a good routine that's suitable for you and specific to you is really important, so your sleep cycle doesn't get out of whack. And this might mean that you get up at a certain time every morning. Again, it doesn't have to be early, it doesn't have to be too late, but just make sure you're not oversleeping, because that can also cause heavy exhaustion. But also, if you need to sleep during the day, which is understandable when you're in that viral syndrome because your body is fighting off lots of dis-ease in the body, you're allowed to sleep during the day, but set a sleep schedule so that you know that you're going to be asleep at this time, which might be around 12 or 1 p.m. until around 2 or 3 p.m. And again, as you get healthy, you want to wean your way off that midday sleep so your quality of sleep at night time is a lot better. So keep that in mind, because as a healthy person does, they typically don't need to sleep during the day. If they do, it's not a major deal either. They just listen to their body and sleep, just like the Europeans do, and especially in France and things like that, they have their siesta, which can also be healthy. So just remember, get into a good sleep routine. You want to avoid heavy lights at night, start to decrease and dim that. Go away from your electronics, and also make sure your room's really dark. Black it out so you can increase your melatonin release at night, and obviously when you're awake you can be out in daylight. If you need to wear sunglasses, that's fine for light sensitivity, so you can actually be in the light and your body can actually absorb that and realize that it is daytime.